Hey guys, today we are making a super creative breakfast with sausages and bread. It's really simple and easy recipe. So we'll need for sausages, peel off the skin. Add a little bit of olive oil and fry them for about 4 minutes. It's funny how the sausages dance in the pan. Next we'll take 4 slices of bread and remove the crust. Like my video, it's so pleasant for me. Make the centers of the bread thinner. Be sure to try this recipe and don't forget to like and share this recipe with your friends. In a bowl mix 2 eggs, a pinch of salt and pepper, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Four slices of cheese. Repeat after me. Now let's dip the bread slices into the egg mixture and press them with your hands so they hold their shape. Add a little vegetable oil and butter in a pan. And fry the bread slices with sausages until they turn golden on each side. It looks so delicious. Please like this video. How do you like this recipe? Write in the list a smiley face in the comments. It's very important for me. We'll need 50 grams of ham or 1.76 ounces. And a small bunch of parsley. Add the ham and parsley to the remaining egg mixture and give it a good mix. Now let's make tasty sandwiches with the remaining ingredients. Fry them for 2 minutes on each side. Be sure to subscribe if you like my recipe. I'm glad to see you. I absolutely love black tea with a hint of bergamot. What's your favorite tea? Add a little bit of sugar. Turn on notifications so you never miss any of my videos. Add for an extra burst of flavor, I like to add a slice of lemon. It's a delicious combination. Now let's taste our culinary masterpieces. Like and subscribe, go watch my other videos. They are really tasty and remind me of the real hot dog. Enjoy your meal.